Another element of cyber safety is being respectful of others. A common term used for good manners online is netiquette. Netiquette means using the same manners online that you would use in person, especially using appropriate language and treating others with respect. A good rule to follow is, if you wouldn't say it or show it in person, then you shouldn't say it or show it online. One way kids show disrespect online is through cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is making fun of others online with words or pictures. Cyberbullying can include hurtful text or email messages, pretending to be someone else with the intent to deceive, using pictures to make fun of someone, or spreading mean gossip online. If you see cyberbullying, don't respond to it. Instead, report it to a trusted adult. If you're the victim of cyberbullying, first block the person who's bullying you from your phone, email, or social networking site. Then keep the bullying messages as evidence and report the bullying to an adult.